Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a model plane or a paper plane only using one piece of paper, scissors, and a glue stick. Let's get into it. First, what I'm going to do is cut the paper. You need to cut the paper in two halves. Once you're done cutting your paper, you need to roll up the paper to the size of the airplane you want yours to be. I am trying to make an A320, so mine is going to be small. If you want yours to be bigger, you might want to cut your paper the opposite way of mine. And then, once you're done, you're going to want to get your glue and glue the tape. You can use glue or tape. So you just put glue on the top and then just stick it on your roll so it can go together. And sometimes it doesn't work as planned. Once you got your paper rolled up and taped it together, you're going to want to make the wings. So just cut a triangle shape onto your paper. And then you're going to fold the top part so then you have a place to glue on. Then you glue it on and copy it and do it on the other side. You get both your wings, you can cut them to the way you'd like them. For the cockpit, what I do is I cut an oval onto the paper. You might have to try multiple times. After you do that, you try to fit the oval over and just try to glue it on to make it look more like this. Now you're going to glue it on the top and bottom. Once you glue it on the top and the bottom, you can cut the sides to make it more how you want it to look. Now you have your cockpit and you can draw a windows on there if you want. Now for the back part, what I do is kind of sloppy and messy, so you do not have to do it this way and you can make your own. But what I did is I tried to crumple it up to make it fit. But today I think I'm going to just try to make it look nice. So I am trying to even out this square, and then I'm going to cut it out to make it the same length as I want my tail. And I'm going to try to make it roll into this cone shape. And then I'm going to try to glue it inside. So then you have your cone. You don't necessarily have to glue on this part, since sometimes it can be hard to glue. But now you're going to want to make the fin. So you're going to want to cut. And if you want to make a signal on your plane, like I'm going to make a Delta logo, since As you might know, Delta is my favorite airline. So I am going to cut out the right size piece for my tail. And then I'm going to draw the Delta logo on and color it before I put it. Make sure before you start coloring, you fold one piece right there to make sure you can fit it onto your plane. So then it ends up like that. Here is my paper airplane. You can add a cockpit windows and windows like this. Now it has windows and you have your small little paper airplane. And you can put it inside your airport. So that's how you make a paper airplane with only one piece of paper, a glue stick, and scissors. And one pencil if you want the details. See you all later. That'll be it for today. Goodbye.